It's time for a plungy trick shot on a plumbing company. And Roto-Rooter is the largest plumbing company in both the US and Canada. And today, their Phoenix location invited me to come in and throw a plunger at their sign. And to make it extra challenging, they want me to hit the dash. But my goal isn't just to hit one myself, it's to teach everyone else how to do it too. Before we could get to plunging the sign, we needed to attend plunging class. Keep in mind, I'm decked out in my custom Roto-Rooter uniform and plunger necklace. Alright everybody, this is your weapon for the day. I gave the boys a quick tutorial, which led to a quick plunger practice. We had some failures along the way, but it didn't take them too long.
There you go!
Once the boys got the hang of it, it was time to move up into the big leagues. So we set out all the plungers and got ready to go. First I hit an easy one to get a feel for the sign. Then Mason was up, but he didn't have a great start. It wasn't a problem though because he eventually got it.
There you go!
Also, the GM told me they're moving into a new bigger building and getting a new sign anyway.
Yes!
In fact, here's the GM hitting his own plunger trick shot. All of the employees got a chance to go at it. But then it was my turn to hit the dash, and it's a super hard trick shot because it's so precise and I just kept missing. This took me at least half an hour, but after those 30 minutes, this happened. It made me feel really cool, but then Mason came by and hit it in like 5 minutes. I had a great time with Roto-Rooter at their Phoenix location, so feel free to check them out for your plumbing needs.